7 compelling reasons you should install commercial solar power in 2025. Switching to commercial solar power in 2025 is a smart move. Here are 7 reasons why. 1. Cost savings. Solar power cuts energy bills significantly. Environmental impact. Solar reduces carbon emissions. 3. Energy independence. Gain control over energy costs. 4. Positive public relations. Solar boosts your reputation. 5. Tax incentives. Enjoy financial benefits and credits. 6. Long-term stability. Solar offers reliable energy supply. 7. Community leadership. Lead by example in sustainability. Embrace solar in 2025 for financial, environmental, and reputational gains. Be a leader in sustainability. Please like, comment, and subscribe.